So we pretty much had a choppy day today for the SPY. The previous day SPY closed at 453.19 and today it closed at 453.08. Now in my opinion, this is still a bullish chart, okay? SPY closing above the 5-day moving average, 10-day, 20, 50 all the way down here. Chart looks bullish, guys. We did get a test up here of the resistant level. This resistant level has been around since a year ago, September 2nd, September 3rd. September 2nd of 2020, we had a blow off top. And the next day on September 3rd of 2020, it just dropped. Today, history did not repeat itself. All right, which is a good thing for the bulls. Okay, this is still a bullish chart. We have a double bottom right here. We go to smaller time frame, 4 hour right here. You can see it better. See right there. See right there. Okay, so double bottom pattern on the daily chart for SPY. It's not a big one, but it's there. And double bottom patterns are usually bullish pattern. Okay, so we got a bullish chart with bullish price action. Okay, it went down just below the 5-day moving average to fake out the bulls, because I like to use these moving day averages as support resistant level, right? So, and a lot of traders, retail traders, they do the same thing. And when they see it come down just a little bit, they get faked out, okay? So anytime you see it coming down just a little below the 5-day moving average, don't get too alarmed. If anything, that is where I look to enter, okay? Get bounces off the 5-day moving average and get just below the 5-day moving average sometimes. Alright, and today was one of those days. Yesterday we had a bounce off the 5-day. Today it opened just below, you know, but it closed above. Okay, bullish price action. I have a price target of 457. Okay, all week I've been watching the 452 to 451.5 range, and it's not closing below. Okay, it's holding up pretty well. So as long as it holds, as long as 452 holds, I believe 457 is in play. If we start getting lower than 452, you may want to start looking at the next support level, which is down here at the 10-day moving average at 450. The 20-day moving average is the critical support levels at 446.78 right now. And another critical support level is at the 50-day moving average is at 439.69, okay? So those are the levels that we want to buy off from. All right, there's nothing about this chart that's saying bearish just yet. Nothing about this chart saying that we should start shorting or being a bear. Okay, I always say continue to be a bull in the bull market. What that means is just because there's a pullback coming or signs of a pullback coming, doesn't mean that it will. And two, if there is a pullback coming, I recommend that we look for buying opportunities off of one of our support levels instead of trying to call a top. All right, because more often than not, look how many times the SPY creeps up compared to how many times it actually heads down. Okay, out of how many days? Look at how many days the SPY goes up compared to how many times it goes down. More often than not, it goes up. It continues to melt up. And if it does drop, those are where the biggest moves come. It drop, buy it off a support level, and the recovery, the V-shaped recovery. It's very beautiful, guys. It's very nice. So when you get a buying opportunity for SPY, it's a good thing, not a bad thing. Right now, we're not getting buying opportunity much. It's only these small micro dips. So micro dips are good as well. You don't make as much money, and they're not as fun to trade, but they're there. If you're good, you got experience. You know, I like to buy micro dips when it bounces off the 5-day moving average. Anytime it bounces off the 5-day moving average, that is what I consider a micro dip. Okay, look at the fear and greed index. We got neutral. All right, remember, if we got a correction coming, like a big major correction coming, most likely we are in extreme greed. Now, a year ago we had greed. That's from September 3rd of 2020, but September 2nd of 2020, it was extreme greed. A year ago, September 2nd, 2020. So I had, you know, all the checklists off, check. The things, that's all the signs that says we got a pullback coming. Right now, with the market, with the fear and greed index showing neutral, you know, I don't think there's going to be a major correction coming just yet. I think that we'll eventually have a major correction, okay? You know, on some Nostradamus thing, okay? You're making a prediction, a broad general prediction. It will eventually come true, right? But it don't mean it'll come true right away. And right now it's neutral. So for all the bears that think we got a bear correction coming, a major correction coming, I don't think so. Why? Because extreme greed is not in the market yet, and the chart's showing very bullish charts. Okay, so I'm rambling right now. Bottom line, what I want you guys to understand is that we're in a bull chart. This is a bull chart. It's a bull market. Remain bullish and look to buy off of our support levels. I'll go over it one more time. 452, good level to watch. To 450, 451.5. That's his double bottom pattern. Below that, you want to watch 450. Critical support level is 446.70. Another critical support level is 439. Okay? Those are the levels I want y'all to watch and look to buy. Look for long opportunity, to go long opportunities. Alright, guys. So moving on to Triple Q. Triple Q also looking very bullish. Remember, we had the breakout, test of the breakout, test of the breakout, and even gap below the breakout, and it came right back up. Bullish signs. I believe we will hit the 384 price target for Triple Q. Okay, but let's go over the levels. Okay, we got right here 380, 10-day moving average at 377, 20-day critical support level at 372, and of course another critical support level here at 365.73. Okay, guys, those are the levels I want y'all to watch for and look for buying opportunities, because this is a bull market. All right, this was the breakout. We move the moving averages. Had a nice breakout right here. Breakout. It's holding above our breakout. I think we will get to 384. Okay? By next week. Not Monday. We have a 3-day weekend coming up. But Tuesday to Friday, I think Triple Q will work its way to 384, my next price target. All right, moving on to ARKK. ARKK, look at that. Looking bullish still, and is holding above the 200-day moving average still. Okay, so we want to be careful here. We got this triple bottom right here. Bow. But we also have a potential double top right here. So we're in a resistant level right now. Definitely want to watch this 200-day moving average. It's also bouncing from the 5-day moving average. So price action is bullish. Okay, I think it's gonna go up. I think we will break this price target. I had a price at 126. We're just $1 short of it. Very close. I think we will break it. Get to my next price target of 132 and then 142. Okay. As long as we stay above this level of 120, I think ARKK will get up. Will continue to be higher. If we break below 120, then it's obviously a false breakdown or a double top pattern. Double tops a bearish pattern, and we could head back down and take out this area of liquidity from the support level of 113.4 down to 110 is my AOL range or zone. Okay, AOL is area of liquidity. That's where the stop losses are clustered up. Stop losses from retail traders. All right, bottom line, bullish. Watch these levels, 123.80. This level right here, 50-day move, 122, and of course 120. Those are critical. All of those are critical support levels. Definitely watch those levels. Look for buying opportunity, because I think this is bullish. But cut your loss if it drops below 120. That's just my opinion. Okay, moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking beautiful to me. Broke out this bull flag. It was bull flagging. Got a nice breakout. Continue to hold above, right? Intraday we got to another high. We broke the high of this flag. Broke it intraday, but it wasn't able to hold. So far what we need to watch and make sure is that Bitcoin can hold above 48.8K. Alright? Below that, if it closes below 48.8K, keyword closes, not just go down and come back up, but closes, that is a sign of a false breakout, and it could be heading down low. Okay, now our support levels are right here at the 5-day moving average, 48.4K. We got the 20-day moving average at 47.9K. The 200-day level, critical support level, at 46.1K. And look at this. This blue line right here was a previous high. And also, like I said in the other video, the 50-day moving average reaching it. Okay, so that's at 42.5K. All right, those are the levels I want you guys to watch. If Bitcoin starts closing below 42.5K or below the 50-day moving average, that's bearish. And I would look to enter around the 29K to 27K range. I don't think it will get that low though, like I always say. All right, so bullish right now on Bitcoin. I think it's a buy the dip market. 54K price target, did back to all-time high. That is what I think for Bitcoin. That's what I think for the overall market. I'm bullish on SPY, bullish on QQQ, ARKK, and Bitcoin. Of course, don't buy the tip. Look for buying opportunities. Continue to be objective. And like always, I hope this technical analysis was able to help you. I am the Chartist. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you subscribe and hit the like button. And if you don't like it, hit the dislike button. That's fine. But thank you for watching anyways. See you.